How to make the background image transparent in the Google Slides. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the background image transparent on the Google Slide. So firstly, open the Google Slide. For that you can choose any document that you want to. So as you can see that I've already inserted this very image. How you can insert the images, tap on the very plus icon, see the very image section. Now you can transfer the image from your photos as well. Also you can click the photo at the moment. Now to make this very image transparent, you can see here is the very plus minus icon on the square box. Just tap there. Now to make it more transparent, I will decrease it and you can see it becomes more and more transparent. When I decrease it to 0, the image will not be visible. I just want to make it transparent and I just want to make it like a watermark. So little bit opacity, and I will increase the size of my image and place it in such a way that it looks like watermark. So here I'm done. This is how you can also do it. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.